He's just always getting a little more comfortable. Mama be good mama. Mama just had a bunch of food. Whoa, that's my butt. Here comes the clicks. I'm like part of the click tribe. Oh. Cleaning time. Bath time. This guy. Whoop. Oh, mommy kisses. Oh. We got a couple little neat masks. Everybody's got a white tip tail. You okay in here? Oh. You okay? I'm just the observer. Mom knows what's going on. One big snuggle fest in here. Whoa! Alright. Well, I could watch these guys all day. Is that comfortable? I guess it's... I don't really need to fix anything, but... There. I don't need Mom's foot on top of you. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuffed animals in here, like ready to play. Got this guy over here. Alright, somebody's trying to bust in outside. I'll go take care of that, Mama. Cause you got the babies, oh yeah. Wolf pack out, yeah.